Welcome guys to a new vlog slash cinematics of Resistance Lifestyle, and today we are at Slowdown Sundaze. We're at Soft Serve Sundaze. We've got the guys from Team Soft Life here, and just obviously you guys are probably wondering who are these guys, so we just want to introduce you guys. And we've got, first of all, we've got Brandon here with us. Tell us first about Team Soft Life. Where did it all start?
Okay, so Team Soft Life initially started a year and a half ago. It wasn't initially supposed to be a car affiliated group.
Yeah.
We started as a group of friends, fortunately we all loved cars, we loved cars, so we decided to give our clique a name.
Okay.
We took that and we just went with it. Car events, started doing merch, started selling merch, stickers, whatever the case might be.
Yeah.
So we are not in the sense of a car affiliated group, we're more of a social group.
Yeah.
You understand? So we just labeled our friendship circle and it expanded. That's where it all came from.
Okay. And then obviously you guys started what you would call now Soft Serve Sundaze.
Yeah.
And it's an invite only.
Correct.
And I understand why it's an invite only, is to keep all the rowdy guys away.
Correct.
So no offense to people who weren't invited, but they're literally just trying to have peaceful park-offs and hookups without the guys raving, spinning, hence it being an invite only, so that they know which type of crowd they want to pull. And where did that start? What made you guys decide to start this whole Soft Serve Sundaze?
Look, we initially wanted to host our own type of event initially. And then myself and Chad spoke and we were like, look, there is too much green tape and red tape around having an event.
Yeah.
So I told him, let's start small. Let's pull people that's gonna help grow our type of event that we're doing. So the Soft Serve Sunday was initially just for car enthusiasts,
okay.
For people to socialize, mingle, and how can I say, just for other people to see.
Yeah, it's like a little gathering.
Yeah.
A nice chilled hookup.
You understand? That was the whole point behind us starting Soft Serve Sunday. We were gonna do an event, but then we started crunching the numbers. We were like, no man, we don't want to host events because now it's gonna be we favoritizing that car. Winning this.
Yes,
so we initially wanted to create something for Soft Serve Sunday in the coming year where we will have crowds vote.
Yes.
So we will have a ballot box.
And you go your vote in there.
We calculate best tuck, best whatever. That's what we plan to do. So no judges.
Yeah.
The people are the judges.
People
That's what
judges.
we
I get where you're going with it. Yes, I get where you're going with it. And it's great that you guys are doing it. You're trying to provide something for the guys that without I'm getting so hot. Trying to provide something for the guys. A lot of people like that whole chill Sunday vibe, just hook up, park off, and so on. No noise, no raving, no spinning. So, and how long has it been going on now? The actual. So I see you guys are trying to change the venue every time.
Correct. So this will be our fifth one now.
Fifth one, okay.
For 2024. We started initially last year. It wasn't okay because we weren't that, popular or that big. A few people came. Then we elevated it and we decided, okay, let's do this. So our locations we're trying to mainly like move it in different places. We're gonna focus more next year on the southern suburbs a bit more, even though it's a bit hectic with the cops.
Yeah,
so just to accommodate those coming from the southern suburbs. So far we've done the north. It's been successful. 2025.
No, I definitely wish you guys best of luck, and it's good what you guys are doing. We're always there to support you guys.
Thank you.
I might not always come with my car because my car is always broken when I want to come to it. But yeah, it's great. It's a really great initiative that you guys are doing, trying to keep the car culture going. Okay, so we got Chad here also from Team Soft Life. I would think that you and Chad started this thing. Okay,
Yeah.
so he's part owner. But anyways, Chad, so we obviously went through everything with Brandon regarding where the brand started and with your guys hookups you have every Sunday. But from your side, I'd just like to know, what would you think of the car scene in a whole now at this time regarding shows or hookups? What's your take on how the car scene is at the moment?
I wouldn't say there's an issue with the car scene. It's just there's a bit of deviation here and there, especially with the guys spinning and the revving. That's we all in our own categories, and I don't think there's an issue. But it's just certain people in Cape Town have issues with this crew and that crew.
Yeah.
But initially, when we invite people, I don't think any one of them has issues with each other.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's about
And
it.
I think the guys should support
Yeah.
events like this. It's the only way it's gonna grow. For you to get more guys to come at, where eventually it'll be like a lifestyle thing. We know every Sunday it's either gonna be Soft Serve Sundaze or it's gonna be
Slowdown.
Slowdown
Yeah.
Sundays. So yeah, so you obviously, you and Brandon started this whole thing, and where do you guys see this going to in the future? What's
Like-
your future for Team Soft Life?
Like he said, we obviously maybe want to look at an event and for the people being the judges. And yeah, we can obviously get some nice
Yeah.
prizes involved there and stuff like that.
Yeah,
I want to
definitely.
overpromise, but we definitely gonna try our best.
Yeah, and seeing that you guys obviously don't leak out the venues or anything, but is there no sneak peeks for next year? Like where the next venue is gonna be or anything like that?
Southern suburbs, but yeah, we'll definitely.
Okay, so there you guys, you heard it. So guys from the
However-
south, Soft Serve Sunday is gonna be coming to you guys. You don't have to put in Patkos anymore to come to hookups. So they're gonna be in the southern suburbs. The first hookup, will be in
Yeah,
the southern
definitely
suburbs
gonna do.
in next year. But yeah, thanks a lot for that, Chad. Thanks a
you,
lot for your time.
Ryan, can you tell us a bit more about the car scene in general for you, and not to take away from this event, but Slowdown Sundays, what's the future plans for that, etc.
So,
please.
Kan jy vir ons in Afrikaans verduidelik?
kan jy Afrikaans praat hier? So yeah, next year I would say for Slowdown Sundays, we're going to rebrand it. I might as well just say the name now as well. We're going to call it Club Slowdown because I feel like the Sundays in the name of it limits us a lot, because we want to do more things like the pizza meetups and stuff like that. So we're going to just change it because it's going to be a bigger brand with a lot more things underneath it. And also we're going to try have merchandise and stuff like that. I just also think, because I don't know, a lot of people are focused, in my opinion, focused on like the wrong thing instead of just hanging out with the friends and having a good time and stuff like that. For me, that's what I enjoy about it, at least, is trying to bring people together and just talk a lot of kak.
Are you guys looking forward to Slam that hotel?
Yeah, very much so. I think I have a 6 sleeper already. I don't have 6 friends though. Yeah, but I think Slam at the hotel is going to be cool. I think that vibe is going to be lekker to bring everyone together and also just talk a bit and have a bit of fun. And I think a lot of people, from what I've been seeing, they're building the car for Slam at the hotel.